Hi everyone, my name is Ines. I'm 22 years old and I attended 4 days with Susana and Luke. It was just amazing. I learned a lot. I learned a lot about myself, about self-help, and it was I had a lot of aha moments where I realized that we actually have the power inside of us to make a change in our lives. And if you, the person you are watching the video, thinks you cannot do something, or you are incapable of solving a problem, or you are overwhelmed with your everyday life, they are here to help you, and they are here to make you believe again that it's possible and that you got this. So what I really liked is that it's really like a community, and they go the extra mile. They don't just do their work and stop there. They really want to help you, and that's something you really feel in their energy, the way they speak, everything. So yeah, thank you, Luke and Susana.